Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Accenture Workday account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is go to Google and type in Accenture Workday account login and then click enter. And now you're brought to Google web results. And now you want to click onto myworkdayjobs.com, so careers here. And now this will take you to where you need to log in. So wait until this web page loads. And now, as you'll see on the top right hand corner, we got sign in. So go ahead and click onto sign in. And now you want to put in your email address here. Once you've done that, put in your password. Then from there, click on sign in, and then that will go ahead and sign you in. But if you've forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password and go through the process to retrieve your password. Or if you don't have an account, you can always create a new account here as well.